My administration will continue to support University of Port Harcourt to help strengthen the capacity of the university so that it will be the #1 choice for Nigeria. Rivers State Governor Gov Fubara talked this one when he carry waka go do check for the level of work where they go on for the convocation area on Tuesday after he returned from Abuja, where him and some leaders of the state go for the inauguration of the former governor of Rivers State, Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike, as the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. After the inspection, Governor Gov Fubara talk say the auditorium dey very important to the administration to accomplish, and say after dem complete and dem go hand them over to the University of Port Harcourt. E still talk say in they do everything wey e suppose do to make sure say dem complete the project, and say apart from commissioning more schools and infrastructures, the administration will continue to collaborate with other programs like youth empowerment, small and medium scale businesses for the state, as that na part of effort to improve the economy and well-being of Rivers people.
About 2 months ago, we did discuss with the contractor, and he assured us that this project will be delivered as part of our 100 days activity. So we're here again today to see the level of work that has been achieved. And from what we're seeing, I think 99% of the job is done. It's just the finishing. So I'm certain we're going to commission it in our 100 days in office. But there's something very important about this project. We have a lot of schools that will be commissioned. We have a lot of roads. We also have other programs, which includes youth empowerment, creation of supporting small business and medium businesses in the state that we are also going to launch. But this particular one is very key to us. As of today, this university is ranking among the first in the country, and ensuring that this facility is completed would better place them in that position. So we are taking and doing everything that is important and necessary to make sure that we commission this project and also continue to see that the university ranking still stands. The essence of governance is having a process that sustains continuity.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, A. Carter Ojisoli, TMC TV News.